Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how I basically have found, in my opinion, the best way to organize your tote bag and purses. Because if you're anything like me, I usually am carrying like a monster size bag. Like I usually have a tote bag, or just even if it's just like a nice big size purse. And I love, don't get me wrong, I like zipper pockets and like different compartments here and there in the purses, but it's always such a hassle when you go to change your purse. So I am showing you the best purse organizer in my opinion, what I have found and what works for me, and I'm showing you basically how I organize my purse. This is my Louis Vuitton, the delightful MM in the Demure Azure, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is basically my purse that I have been rocking for a little while now, and I just want to show you. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't wear this, I wasn't using this purse all that often before I got this organizer, because it just like, it's this type, it's this one thick strap there for your shoulder, and it's just like, it's not a shaped tote bag like the Neverfulls, which I have in the regular logo print as well in the MM size, and this organizer fits in there perfectly too. But basically without this organizer, it was hard to hold shape. And so with it, it's even nicer because I can just fold the top in there and it holds its shape perfectly. As you can see, the purse itself has like a little clasp closure if I want to do that. Sometimes when it gets so full, I just do that to make sure nothing pops out. But right here, I have my keychain that just holds my keys right in place there, so it's easy to find out of my bag. But then, wait for it, I have this organizer that I found off of Amazon. Yes, I know, Amazon is amazing for everything. This is from the brand Pelicus that I found on Amazon, and I will just show you. So basically, how simple though already. You just pull this out of one bag, and you can plop it down into your next one. So it makes it so much easier to just transfer and switch from like outfit to outfit. So it's so great. But I want to show you a little more up close. It has two small pockets on the front, and then it has one larger pocket on the back side, and then it has all of these compartments on the inside, which I will show you what I'm storing in every single one of these puppies as well. As you can see, I just pulled up, I always have to have a pair of bar socks with me because whether it's from teaching or taking class, I always just throw a pair in my purse, so I have those. All right, and let's just start with the front pockets. So basically in this one, this is my studio keys. So I just keep them in here because I'm not always teaching at the studio, and I just want to have them with me in case all of a sudden someone calls and it's like, hey Laura, we need you to come in, can you teach? And there's no desk girl or something happens on the road, God forbid. So I just always keep those in this little pocket wherever I go. That, and then in the next little pocket, I have my work ID. It's just perfect, the lanyard fits right in there, which if it's not in this pouch, then it's usually just kept in my car because I mean, I'm always driving my car to work, so typically, except for the other day when my battery died, and thank goodness, thank you so much, honey, for coming and saving the day. It was like, oh, it was one of those days where I was just like running around doing things and like trying to rush, and it was like last minute, and I got to my car, and all of a sudden I went to go turn it on, it's like, kick. It wasn't starting, and so battery dead, he came and saved the day. So anyways, times like that, I'll have it in my purse. Moving on to the back pocket now, I like to just always keep a protein bar or like a granola bar, something like that with me because I'm always on the go and I don't necessarily have the time to stop and get food. So at least I have a nice little snack, and I know I talked about this before in my favorites video, but these one protein bars, oh my goodness, they are so good. This is the birthday cake flavor. Again, I love them. They actually taste like the flavors that they say they are, and they're just really, really yummy. Basically, in this pocket, this is where I usually would keep my cell phone. Then I keep my lipstick right here. That way it's easy and it has its own little spot right there. I honestly could probably put my chapstick in over there too, but I just like to keep the color separate from the the chapstick. That way I know like which one I'm grabbing if I'm trying to like find it as I'm driving on the side of me. Yeah, that's just what I've done for right now. Over here in this next small pouch, I keep my gum. Like I said, I have the unicorn gum right here, and I also, my go-to is Orbit's. I'm not gonna lie, this is the spearmint. My favorite Orbit flavor is the sweet mint. That one's really good. I have this weird thing with mints, like they're usually too minty for me. They're like burn my mouth. Maybe I have a dirty mouth and I have to clean it up with some Orbit's gum. On the sides, they even have pockets too. Over here, I keep my perfumes just so I have a little, if I need a little freshen up, I have them right there. Working ourselves around. Now I have my hand sanitizer, and now I have my lip gloss and a chapstick in this back pouch, basically across from where I keep my gum. I just like that there. I don't use it as frequently, so it's all right there, but it's there if you need it. Then in the next pouch, I have my compact mirror, just in case I need something, you know, for like maybe reapplying lipstick. And yes, it's an Elsa mirror. I love this baby. I got this at Sephora. I want to say it's maybe been 2 years now. They had like a little princess series come through, and duh, I need it. I also keep an extra hair tie in there just in case I need that and I forget to have one on my wrist. And then finally on this other small side pocket, I have, okay, this says Tylenol extra strength, but it's ibuprofen. I just didn't have a small enough bottle to put in my purse. But yeah, I always either have ibuprofen or Aleve on me because I get headaches frequently. I always have sore muscles from working out, and it's kind of like, we joke about this, and it's a joke, but it's kind of like the candy for dancers, you know, because you're just always taking it because you always hurt. Other than that, now into the main compartment is this one big slot then, which you can see I have my wallet, which is from the lovely Henry Bendel. I do love me some Bendel products. They're just so nice, and they're a little bit more like budget friendly as far as that. I mean, they're still pricey, but like they're definitely better than like Louis Vuitton pricing, you know what I mean? Like I love me some Louis, but it's pricey. But this wallet fits in there perfect. I can go through that here in a second. And then also I have a pair of sunglasses in here, and that pretty much is what's inside of my bag. But yeah, these are the sunglasses that I just got from Nordstrom off of the end sale. They're from Le Spec. I just think they're real cute because it's like a cat eye, but it's like extra, you know. You're gonna be a diva when you got these on, and I'm all about being a diva sometimes because it's just fun. And then getting to my wallet, I like to keep it super simple and lightweight. Like I don't like to carry every single card with me that I own because first of all, don't need them, don't need to be spending money like that on every single card. I've learned my lesson, trust me. But it's nice little continental zip style, just opens up. You have perfect spot for cards. You got another little secret storage spot. You have more card slots, and then you have two little compartments right here along with a zipper pocket. I usually like to I'll keep like my Disney passes that I got in there for when I like maybe randomly just want to go to the park with friends or family. I have them with me. Or like change I'll keep in if I like all of a sudden buy something with cash, which I usually never happens because I usually never have cash on me, but I'll just throw like the change right there in that zip pouch. But then other than that, then you got your back pocket, which I do keep my cash in, which is very small. Like I said, I don't really have cash on me at all, ever. So easy. You just go to your next purse if you were changing purses out, and you just slide it right on in there, and it's all set. Then also, just to show you a little bit about the bag as well, it is the ballerine pink, as you can see, which the pink Pelicus organizer matches perfectly. It's perfect. I love it. I love that I found it on one of my friend's reviews, and I just wanted to try it out. I'll have it linked below. I think it was like 35 bucks. They have all different sizes. I ended up getting it in the pink so it would match the ballerine, and it's a large, slender style. They have multiple different sizing ones. They have small, medium, large, even extra large ones, and they have either slender or they have like the regular. And they have different like pocket options too. So go check them out on Amazon. It's definitely worth the few bucks that it cost. Also, you can see in the purse there is a zipper pouch right here just to show you what I got completely in my bag, what I've been carrying around with me. So of course, like I said, I'm always on the go and I want fresh breath. So I'm always carrying a toothbrush and my toothpaste because you just never know. Or maybe if you're out to dinner and you get something in your teeth. I'm really bad. I usually have floss. I don't have any right now, but I do have my toothbrush and toothpaste, so I can just go at it there. And then also, you never know when that girl time's gonna hit. You gotta be ready and have everything that you need. Oh, and I have one more hair tie, which if you haven't seen these or tried these out, I definitely recommend them. These specific ones are teleties. So as you can see, I do have one here on my wrist as well, and it's a smaller version than the one that I have in my bag. So they're really cute. It's like basically the old telephone cord style, basically what it looks like. They're just great because they don't, my hair kinks so badly, so quickly. So these are really nice for that because they actually hold my hair up and it doesn't really kink. Sometimes if I have to wrap it too tight or if I wrap it tighter, it will leave like a little bitty indent, but definitely nothing like a regular elastic band. I love this little one because it's in the shade of blush, and I like that just because it's cute. I can wrap it around twice and it'll hold my hair just fine. These bigger ones are fun just because they're big. I like to wear them when I wear like a high pony more or less because they're a little bit more sturdy. They will tangle, but just not as easy. So I hope you've enjoyed basically this session of what's in my bag and finding the best purse organizer in my opinion. Hopefully you give it a try out and you fall in love with it just as much as I did. Honestly, I don't really know how I was using my tote bags as much and as easy as I was prior to having this organizer because I really, really love it. I swear by it, it's great. So if you liked this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. That's always so greatly appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell. That way you always know when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, comments, want to leave me something just to let me know what's up, go ahead and post that right down there below. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye!